Welcome. So, in the recent NET examination, we have again seen questions from ancient universities. So, the idea for today would be to give a quick focus on a comparative analysis of four major ancient universities of India, and this is very important to help you answer the questions for your UGC NET paper 1. Of course, this is not sufficient. This is just a primary vital information. The complete analysis of all the major universities, even besides these four major universities, have been discussed in our complete course, which is available at Doorstep Tutors. So, Takshila, Nalanda, Vikramshila and Udantapuri are the four major universities that we would be talking about. Takshila is in present day Pakistan, the original area of Gandhar. The remaining three areas are present in the regions of Bihar, Udantapuri in Bihar Sharif near Patna, Vikramshila near Bhagalpur, and Nalanda near the area of Magad, the ancient Magad. Now, Nalanda was established by Kumargupta I, Vikramshila by Dharmapal, and Udantapuri by King Gopal. There have been no single names for Takshila as of now. Now, some of the scholars who have passed out from Takshila are very important. Chanakya, Chandragupta, Panini, Jivika and Charak. Nalanda is credited with Aryabhat. Then we have Atishta Dipankar from Vikramshila. Udantapuri is primarily known for Tibetan Buddhism and Buddhist studies. It was more importantly a monastic university and had a great influence at that time from Tibet and the nearby regions. All the three universities, Nalanda, Vikramshila and Udantapuri, were destroyed by Bhakhtiyar Khilji in his early attacks. If we talk about the university, some of the major characteristics for Nalanda was it was considered as world's first residential university, and Fayan has well credited to the history of Nalanda, citing the gatekeepers had the authority to ask the questions, and if the questions were answered correctly, then only you were admitted into the university and were even allowed to enter into the university. So those were the kind of stories that were around the ancient universities and the Indian higher education system. Now again, if we talk about Vikramshila, Vrajayan Buddhism was one of the major specializations that was seen at Vikramshila. However, Nalanda was relatively secular and Takshila focused mainly on Brahmanical studies with diverse concepts which ranged from military to agriculture to astronomy and so on. So there were numerous ways in which the specializations were seen in Takshila. So this was just a quick introduction to the major university. Kanthalur was one of the major universities which was asked in 2024 examination. We have covered a separate video on that. Very important, must not miss, because these are some of the very rare inscriptions found in few of the texts worldwide where you could find the remains on these universities which were like Kanthalur, which was asked in your NET examination. So prepare well, practice well. Of course, we are here and the study material comprehensively covers all this information. So need not to worry. You can simply go through the posted material and read it at your convenience. So thanks for joining in. Have a great day.